Welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be unboxing an SGS 72-inch stainless steel roll cap. Now I bought this on from the outlet as damaged stock. I got it for £499. I think the retail is £899. And online a very similar one with a different badge is about £1,200–1,300. So there should have been a little bit of damage on it, but not too much. I actually got it Monday. It's now Saturday. I've been tidying up, making space, but I've been itching to get this open. So let's have a look around. Okay, so there we go. It says here, do not accept if damaged. Now I wasn't in when he dropped it off, but we have got, looks like another pallet's gone into it there. You have to forgive me for the light conditions. Around the back looks pretty good. Not too happy about that. And guarantee that's going to be on the front and not the back. Right, let's make a start. I've got the GoPro on, hopefully I'll give you a better view of what's going on inside. So let's open it up. Now, it took almost 2 weeks for this to arrive. I bought it on eBay on the SGS outlet sales, and they struggled to find my order. Couldn't find my order details. Took a phone call and a few messages, but it did arrive. Took a little under 2 weeks, 13 days I think. So let's lift off. I think that's going to be on the front, pretty much guaranteed. I don't want to go too deep with this because we've got a wood top, so it won't be very nice to have a dirty scratch in the middle. Ooh, you still recording? Yeah. Use them and yes, it's on the front. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show you a better view in a moment. That is, that shouldn't, can you see that? A dirty grit breaking it. Them two don't open all the way. Look at this side. So a nice double opening. No. There we go. Actually got quite a nice action on the drawers. And you can see that they open pretty much all the way out. Nice hardwood top. That damage though. When I bought it, the damage should have been just a little bit here and a little bit here. And this drawer's like completely bashed in. And the bottom of there. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, what do we got? Keys. Seems to be rubbing across the bottom on both sides as if it's been dropped on this edge. It's pushed it all up. That's quite annoying. There we go. There the SGS badge. Have to make sure all the doors are shoved to, otherwise it don't like it too much. Got a bit of an alignment issue here. And if you can hear that grating, get a bit of a closer look for you. It's catching on the bottom. See there. Same. And unfortunately that one's not too bad, so the bottom drawers need a bit of attention. Like peeling the screen cover off of the phone. Doesn't seem to be much damage elsewhere. I didn't actually want the stainless steel one. I wanted the black one. Just because if it were a bit rickety, it would just seam well more. All the damage that has obviously happened in transit, I'm actually quite happy with that. As you see my toolbox is looking a bit scabby. So I've got to trim this up. Panels, no wheels, I'm assuming. Seems to be dense plastic. Should hold up pretty well, I'd have thought. You can see that. Two dashes, two fixed. The depth of the small drawers isn't too bad. Get that damage. I think I can knock that out. From the inside. Too much. Definitely dented. Well, my options now are, do I complain or take it on the chin? I could get the hammer and dollies out and have a go flattening it. I've never worked with stainless steel. Not like that anyway. No, any suggestions? Put a comment down below. Right, I'm going to cut now while I put the wheels and handles on because I'm pretty sure you don't want to see that. I shall be back in a moment. Okay, so 3/4 of the way through putting the wheels on this. Yeah, it went up alright. But I just want to show this. We have a grease nipple. Can you see just here? On the caster. And now that they're on there, they do actually feel surprisingly good quality. Straightforward putting them on. That's 4 riv nuts, 4 bolts. The spot welding underneath's not too bad every so often. Can't see any broken bits. It's obviously taken damage along this edge, as you can see. The gap there, well, there isn't a gap to be honest. So we've got an impact damage on this corner, which has pushed this up. We've got the damage from transit, some more impact damage. This was on the description, and this was on the description. A little bit here. So I think once the wheels are on, take these bottom drawers out and maybe just stand on these bits, see if there'll be enough just to push it back down a bit. So anyway, Next time you see it, should be on its wheels. So, there's the finished article with the wheels on. And it actually moves really well. Good big cab. Brakes seem good. Nice, as I said, hard at the top. And this side actually feels a bit thicker. This side. Almost enough there. The damage. So I've pushed it out a little bit, but I've actually damaged it a little bit more. I got the nylon hammer on it just to knock this down a little bit, and just a few little taps has sent these ripples through it. The thickness of the stainless is, well, it's not that thick, but now the drawer's open without grating. Then that one might need a little bit more work. Maybe just there. The drawers would have been nicer if they come out another couple of inches, so you could have to reach into the back, get that missing 10mm. Cost me £499. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. Even with the transit damage. You can guarantee, within a couple of weeks, I'm going to run something into it. I'm going to have a dint of my own. Would I buy one at full price? No, I wouldn't. But then I'm tight. I'm very, very tight. My dad's from Yorkshire. Overall, I'm very happy. As I said earlier, there were a bit of legwork involved, messages and a phone call, see what happened. But sometimes you have to chase things in life, you know, they don't just come to you. I think, considering what I paid, the delay in getting it to me, even with the extended damage during the transit, which I don't know if it looks worse now than it did before. I just hit it with the nylon hammer at the back. I'd still give 5 stars for service. They fulfilled, albeit a little bit late. Additional damage on a damaged item anyway. Yeah, I'd buy another if I needed one. Right, I'm now in some new premise, so lots of room. The Virago trike. I should be starting that in the next 3 weeks. Quite a long process, so plenty of videos. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. If you don't like it, leave a comment, tell me why. I wasn't going to put this on here, but nobody else has done one, and I wanted to give you first-hand experience of, you know, what you can get for your money. Right, thank you very much.